The Epson SureLab D1070 printer is capable of printing double-sided applications on sheet media using the Duplex feeder accessory. This does not come pre-installed with the printer, so self-user installation is required. What you'll need to do this is the SureLab D1070 printer, a Phillips head screwdriver, and the Duplex feeder accessory box, which has several pieces. Let's walk you through what's included in that box. So we have the Duplex feeder cassette, which houses the sheet media, the Duplex feeder paper path, the Duplex feeder back tray, and then there's 3 rollers. You have one standard roller that's always in use, and then an important call out is we have 2 different media type rollers. The black one is for standard photo media, the blue one is for matte media, or thicker cardstock. And then finally, we have a tiny bag of brackets and screws. Make sure your D1070 printer is powered off, you have all of the pieces in front of you and unpacked, and we can begin installation.